So how do you use a green screen with Capcut on your iPad? Let's explain that and let's get started. But if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe to it and you're not going to miss anything important about your devices. So on your iPad, just go to Capcut, start a new project. And at first, the important part is that we need to import some clips as the background, right? Because the green screen is good because you can delete the green area and have sort of a transparent video. And yeah, like the subject is only going to be visible. But the point is that we need to have a background on the top of which we place the green screen footage. So start with a background which you import into your CapCut project. It might be any kind of video really. And then once you do have it, then tap on the plus and import the green screen video. You can see that we just have them one after another, just like chronologically. But what we need to do is to select the green screen footage, the clip within our timeline, and find the option which says overlay. So the overlay will put our green screen footage on the top of our background. So once we have it like this, we can adjust the position, make it go all the way to the beginning or whatever. And yeah, it's nice. Make sure that you have still the green clip selected. And from the options below, look for the ability to remove the background. So it might look like this, remove BG. And you can tap on it and from the options, choose the Chroma Key. This will give you the ability to select the color, so obviously point it at the green color so it will be removed and only the other things are gonna stay there. So that's how it works. Now you have a transparent video on top of your existing background, so you can perform some more edits or tap on the export button and have the video finished in your gallery, which you can upload or share anywhere you like. So let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this one. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll catch you in the next tutorials.